Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how I make my easy banana pudding. Okay, let's get started. So for this recipe, you're going to need 4 cups of whole milk, and 2 packages of banana cream pudding mix. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements in the description box below for you. You're going to whisk that for 2 minutes, and I'm just following the package instruction. Now, if you can't find the banana cream pudding mix, because sometimes that one is hard to find, if they don't have that, you can always substitute it with a vanilla pudding mix. I love this banana pudding ever since I tasted it, which was so many years ago. I think that was the first American dessert I tasted when I just moved to the States, and I just loved it. You are also going to need some ripe bananas, and then you're going to slice them like this. You don't want them too thin or too thick, but just the right size. When I usually make this for my hubby and I just do 1 package of the pudding mix, so it's a small recipe, but for the sake of this video, I'm doubling it. And the last thing you're going to need is the wafers. The way I like to do it is put down a little bit of the pudding on the bottom of the dish. Then I put a layer of the wafers. I cover that with some more pudding. Then I put a layer of banana. You can see where this is going. And then I'm going to put a layer of the pudding after this. So I'm going to repeat this process 3 times. There's no right or wrong way to do this, and it's kinda hard to mess it up. You only need a few ingredients. Whenever I want something quick and easy, I make this. And I'm always telling my nieces about it, and they say I should make a video because they would like to learn how to make this. And as you know, this is not something we make in Belize. This is not a Belizean recipe. But I think a Belizean version to this is the cold cake. If you want to see how I make my cold cake, I'm going to leave it linked below for you. My hubby wanted me to leave a little bit in the dish so he could eat it. All you have to do now is cover this and put this in the refrigerator to chill. The longer it's in there, the softer the wafer will get, and it will be so good. So just give it a couple hours at least before you serve it. I really enjoy desserts like these in the warmer months. Oh, they're so good. I just love this. It's the perfect amount of sweetness, the perfect amount of pudding, and the perfect amount of banana. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you give this recipe a try. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't yet subscribed, please don't forget to do that, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.